Hello everyone. Today I'd like to talk to you about the vital role of environmental education for children. Our species faces an uncertain future because the relationship between humans and our environment is damaged or broken. Instilling environmental awareness and responsibility in the minds of young children is not just an option, it's an imperative. Without it, our species will eventually go extinct. As stewards of tomorrow, the next generation holds the key to safeguarding the earth for generations to come, and good environmental education for children shapes attitudes, behaviours, and understanding. Reading Shakespeare doesn't prompt a love of the bard's work because his plays were meant to be performed. In the same way, learning about nature in a classroom is a pale comparison to experiential learning. When children are immersed in nature, they develop a profound appreciation for its beauty and complexity. Such experiences foster a sense of wonder, curiosity, and respect for the environment, laying the foundations for a lifelong natural bond. It's imperative then that environmental education for children includes an outdoor component. It's for this reason I incorporated hands-on experiments in each of my Wildlife Wong books, many of which are conducted outdoors. Let's take building an orangutan nest, for instance. Through interactive learning experiences, children learn about concepts like recycling, conservation, and biodiversity. This knowledge equips them with the tools to make informed decisions that minimize their own ecological footprint. A shift away from consumerism to embracing the 6 R's of sustainability is important if we're to live on this earth in harmony with other species. By instilling a sense of responsibility from an early age through environmental education for children, they become proactive change makers who advocate for sustainable practices within their communities and beyond. Such advocacy and stewardship may even save our own species from extinction. The next few decades will be a tipping point for humanity, and critical thinking skills will be more important than ever. You've heard it said that children are our future. As they grow, we need them to ask questions, analyze data, and evaluate solutions to complex environmental issues. By engaging in hands-on activities and problem-solving tasks that relate to the environment, they develop the ability to think critically, creatively, and collaboratively, a skill set essential for addressing the wicked problems that we face. One cornerstone of environmental education is empathy towards all living beings. By learning about the interconnectedness of ecosystems, children develop an understanding and a sense of empathy and compassion for the natural world. Through storytelling, role-playing, and environmental activism projects, they learn to advocate for the rights of animals, plants, and ecosystems, fostering a sense of global citizenship and social responsibility. My school workshop, The Parliament of Animals, for instance, fosters these important skills through a day-long workshop where children step out of their human skin and argue the case for other species in a mock parliament. Whether it be through outdoor play, research projects, or experimentation, ultimately the goal of environmental education is to inspire action. By empowering children with the knowledge, skills, and values needed to address environmental challenges through education in childhood, we can cultivate a generation of committed change makers with the power to create a more sustainable future for us all. If you're a teacher, download resources in the link provided on this page to incorporate the Wildlife Wong series in your classroom, and it also will save you planning time. If you're a grandparent, the Wildlife Wong series makes a great gift and helps you start a conversation about conservation. If you're a parent, I'd love it if you would connect with me or connect me with your child's school. Send me an email or comment below, and together we can ignite a love of nature in your children.